collision one, the latest GoPro.
Johnny's starting us off with a snook.
Ooh, that's nice fish.
I've already released one nice snook.
Slot. Oh, it's going behind the motor.
You got him.
It's going to get the other side of the boat.
Hey, reel down, keep your rod low. Reel down. You got him. Is that a good sized fish?
Yeah.
Keep your rod low. Start pulling to the right. Good fish. That's a slot fish, dude. He's a little bit bigger than mine. Don't get that hook caught. There you go.
Yeah.
Perfect. Good fish, Johnny.
Resilience.
That lure caught both.
Yep.
That's about the same size as mine.
It's maybe half an inch longer.
Let's hope he's a half inch longer. Yeah, they're still fun. Once you get confidence with a lure, you start catching them a lot faster. Nice little fish. A little snooky. Johnny's catching piles of babies today. Johnny's catching them everywhere on that lure.
Yeah, he is.
So I told you, once you throw a variety of plugs, one's always better than the rest every day.
Yep.
Every day it's a different lure.
Sometimes you different colors.
Yeah.
Slightly bigger.
Yeah, Johnny's got another one. Another shorty. That's like 6 snook already. Like a 40-inch snook on right now. Yeah, he's coming in. Just keep reeling fast. He's coming at us now. Keep that line tight. Do not let him dive down and hit a rock. He's making it look easy now because it's swimming at us. Yeah. He's going to take off again. Just get ready. Get ready for the takeoff.
You're going to lose all that line back.
Yeah, just get ready. Don't let him go into the boat. So start pulling him away. Yeah, he's going to turn and take off. There he goes. Here you go. Just hold that. Record him. The freaking toad. That is a massive fish. That's on that grouper plug, dude.
Is it really?
Yeah, on that big old plug. I told you the 40s get caught on that thing. It's out in the middle of the river too. I just hope it's not a gar.
Oh, it better not be a gar.
It's probably like a game fish. I just want to see this sucker. He's just so big.
He's about ready to come up.
Yeah. That is a toad. He's digging weird though. He's not acting like a snook. Snook would come up and shake his head. That's just a monster snook. I hope it's a monster snook.
He hasn't come up at all.
What is that?
Yeah, keep your rod tip down.
I got the leader. No color yet. Snook!
Ooh, that's huge.
Yeah, just drag him right toward you.
Oh. Dude. That is a giant toad. Biggest snook you ever seen, Johnny?
Close to, yeah, that's big.
That's a big fish.
Yeah.
On a grouper plug.
Yeah.
I'll get close up to him. Look at that toad of a snook on a grouper plug in the river. And keep tension on him. Johnny's hooked up to a friggin' monster.
On the keeper.
Yeah, it's too big to keep again.
I saw the head. It's like a freaking tarpon.
Yeah. Alright, keep reeling fast enough that you don't lose pressure on him.
To seize the boat.
Yeah. Keep reeling fast. I'm making it easy because I'm driving at him. Hooked up to a giant fish.
That thing came out and grabbed it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, big. Oh, that might be a slot. Yeah, she's tired.
Bring him up a little bit.
Start pulling your way, Johnny. Reel to the fish. There you go.
Now turn him up.
Turn him. Net him. Nice fish, Johnny. That was a lucky fish right there. That fish wanted to get off.
Yes, he did.
That looks like a 34 incher. Just 1 inch too big.
That's bigger than you.
Perfect 32 3/4 going in the box.
That's evidence.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit.
What happened?
I'll just flip them in.
Trying to get the pliers that dug in.
Little
Here,
redfish.
I got a hook all the way in my leg.